I'm Arlie Ermy. When I was a kid, my granddad gave me my very first knife. I used it every day on the farm. Having that knife taught me lessons about the value of good equipment. And I learned it over and over in the military as well. Today, my philosophy is simple. Use the best that you can, period. It'll pay for itself many times over. And SOG feels the same way as I do about it. It's reflected in the performance of every knife and tool that they make. I chalk it up to good old-fashioned pride. Now, those are some of the reasons why I use SOG, and I have for a lot of years. Now, since 1986, special ops, law enforcement, tradesmen, and outdoor enthusiasts have relied on SOG to produce the toughest and most reliable gear in the industry. So, whether I'm in the boonies hunting, in the field with the troops, or at home in my own garage, it's just nice to know that I can depend on SOG.